Hey guys, this is Yeayh here from Connecting Lines. As you could see and hear from me, my health is kind of down and worsened today, and coughing, and my voice is starting to get even lower and deeper, and my throat is starting to get hurt. Yeah. I promise you guys I will do at the first, at the 50th, at the end of every month. But I guess today I just want to do just one of my vlogs today because I think I just want to do it. Yeah, you could hear from my voice is getting deeper, and but I don't know how long this will last, but once I get healthier and this coughing gradually stop, I'll tell you guys after later. Okay. For now, I still feeling a little sick. Okay. So yeah, and I don't like to talk right now. I mean, I don't have the mood to make a video today, but I just wanted to inform you guys, okay? Okay, I don't want to make this a long video, just ranting about me getting sick, but like always, you guys, I see you guys in the next video, and I see you guys like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video. Oh, sorry, I'm blabbering a lot. Bye.